song, but I gave up. See, 1,000,000 words can't describe how it feels to know your love. Where did I go wrong? I should have told you from the start that I'm closer than you think when we're apart. Nothing that I've tried is as simple as this life. But without you, my life is incomplete. My days are absolutely great. And so I tried. Let your